Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to turn off or turn on the lane keeping system. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024, so the second generations and the ones which are equipped with the lane keeping system. Now it actually took me quite a while to figure this one out. Now basically if you go through the menu options here, so under driver assist, you will have lane keeping system here, but there is no option to turn it off, right? You can just change the mode and change the intensity, but to actually turn it off, there is a button here on the turn signal switch, so just have to press this button in and that will turn it off, as simple as that. So I will show you again. Now to turn it on again, just press this button and that's it. So easy and so hard. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.